Today I thought that I would share some interesting facts about chocolate. The Aztecs believed that chocolate was a gift given to them by the god Quetzalcoatl, and they held chocolate in such high regard that they used the cocoa beans as a form of currency. Chocolate is made from the beans of the tree Theobroma cacao. Theobroma means food of the gods. Cocoa beans are grown in West Africa. Cocoa beans are also grown in the Central and South American countries of Brazil and Venezuela. The first chocolate bar was made by Joseph Fry in 1847, and the Hershey Chocolate Company was founded in 1894. Both milk chocolate and white chocolate have standards of identity established by the FDA. Milk chocolate is a combination of chocolate liquor, cocoa butter, sugar, and milk or cream. I should mention that the chocolate liquor is not an alcoholic beverage, but a mixture of cocoa solids and cocoa butter in approximately equal proportions that has been melted. White chocolate is made from the same ingredients as milk chocolate, but without the non-fat cocoa solids. The FDA does not have a standard of identity for dark chocolate. There has been some preliminary research that has suggested that eating dark chocolate provides health benefits because of the presence of antioxidants known as flavonols that are found in the cocoa. However, these compounds are present in very low concentrations in comparison to the relatively high amount of fat and sugar. In other words, it's still probably a good idea to consider chocolate just a treat. So remember, the next time you're taking a bite out of a chocolate bar, you're enjoying an ancient food of the gods. For more information, please visit signup.okstate.edu or fapc.biz.